Hi. Just weighing it down now. I'll have to do this properly tomorrow, but it just shows that it doesn't actually blow away in the night. But it's really coming on ever so well. But I'm just going to keep working. I'm in and I'm out and I'm all over the place at the minute. But yeah, I am filthy. My hands are stinking. But wow, is that? A few bits and pieces to finish, but I'm really chuffed with it. And thank you to Ben and Thomas. Yeah, thank you to Ben and Thomas for all the help. They've been really good. There's some weeds, I know, but actually that's ground elder. It's not a weed. But it doesn't. I don't want it in you because it'll take over. So yes, I'm 5'8" tall, and it goes all the way up there. I think I'm going to live in it. I think I'm going to get a nice armchair and live in it. Right, I think that's me done. Bye.